Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and earlier today I made a video of putting dotted lines, round lines, balls on it, and an E and a line, and my internet friend Eskimo, which makes up these terrific macros that do all this stuff so cool, and they're free. There'll be a link to his site below this video. All you have to do is take any shape, a letter, and you have to convert it to a curve, and by proving that you can see the nodes. And what he has done is you pick this item and you can change. I might have seen this a while back, but all you have to do is create circles. Not only did it do like we did in the blend, but it starts and stops on the nodes. So every corner is taken up. And then all you have to do is just delete that E, and you could select them all and make them red or black or whatever you wanted to do to them. Take away the outline, cut them out if you wanted to. So all you have to do it, and what's so cool about it, it works on, straight lines or even curved lines. You have to take the text and go to object and convert it to a curve. And it's always, to me, better to look at it with no fill. So left click, right click, and we're going to create circles. Now that might be too many, so you can back up and go, well, let's do the 150. That's well, that's even too much. Let's go 250. And it just spaces them out, but they're on the corners, as you can see. I mean, each node. And I'm pretty sure if you don't like that one, you could probably go and ungroup them and take that one out, maybe. Tell you what, let's get rid of our line. And I don't really know. Maybe not. Maybe yeah, there we go. You could take that one out if you didn't like it. Of course, now it doesn't look like an E at all. That's not a good example. Let's back up here and make the circle smaller. Let's make the circle diameter 0.2. I mean, look at that. That easy, that quick. I haven't even played with everything else. You can do spacing by distance. Instead of that, you could type in a distance, I guess, somewhere. Oh, here's the distance right here. Let's say you want to, so the circles are going to be 2, let's make them 5. And so you get that and you go, well, that might not be quite enough. Let's make the spacing 0.75. And look at that. Pretty cool and amazing. Anyway, thank you for